Yvette, have you been capitalizing on this full service trend? And I don't know how much wash, dry, fold, or pickup and delivery you do. Can you tell me about that, or what you're doing specifically at your business?
Well, we have only one of our locations that does wash, dry, and fold. So we are not in the pickup and delivery business at this point.
Okay.
But I don't disagree with Mark at all. It is growing. I think a lot of things are driving that growth. You've got a lot of dual income families where they just don't have the time, where they're choosing to spend their time doing other things. And they don't want to spend Saturday doing load after load after load. So it's convenient for them to go on an app and say, come pick it up, and then they bring it back whenever it works for them. So I think we definitely have seen that happening.
Mhm.
We've seen I think we're still very much in the aftermath of COVID and the
Mhm.
times when people are little germophobic and they recognize how important it is to keep their items clean, and they want to go to a place that's clean, or preferably not even have to go there, just send somebody to come and get it and pick it up. It's
Mhm.
not very big for us, but I recognize that it is large and that it's not going anywhere.
Right, right. It's certainly
Mhm.
staying. I think laundry is probably one of the last great tasks to finally be outsourced, along with everything else that we've done, lawn care and everything else, and certainly the tailwind it got from COVID gave it that push. But
Yeah.
yeah, it's certainly here to stay. Um, Brendan, how about you? What are you seeing from your customers and your clients regarding the full service segment of the business? Is there anything that you can add to that as far as that trend?
Well, it's been interesting in the regard that more and more, when you look at what people look for in a laundromat, their number ones haven't really changed. Is it
Mhm.
safe? Is it well lit? Is it clean? And from that perspective, is it safe? And that's where full service has added a layer, specifically in more of the cities and those laundromats, is they like the attendant because yes, it brings in additional revenue with the wash dry fold, but there's someone there attending the store, kind of watching what's going on and helping the patrons in the store. I think
Mhm.
the other thing that we've seen more so is that trend is starting to move out to more of the rural areas. In the area, more in the cities, people look at that, hey,
Right.
quarter mile, maybe a half mile, but within that, there's a lot more stores. As you go into the more of the rural areas, they're saying, "Hey, I'll pick your stuff up on my way in. I'll do your wash dry fold, and I will deliver it when I come back." It's helping offset some of the rising expenses, and it's
Mhm.
it's been a nice diversification of the income that the laundromat's given them.
Mhm. Absolutely, absolutely. I just want to remind everyone that please, if you've got a question or something you're thinking about, now's the time to just send it in. We've got a great panel here. They're giving their time. They've got a lot of knowledge, so tap into that. If you have a question about industry trends or where you think things are going or something going on with your business, feel free to send that in, and we'll try to get that answered for you.